If you're having a bad hair day but need to leave the house, or your hair is due a wash but you have somewhere to be, this video is for you. I'm going to be sharing 5 quick and simple hairstyles that you can do in no time that will hopefully make you feel a little bit more put together and ready to face the day. So let's go ahead. First up is this really simple claw clip updo, but firstly I'm just putting some oil across my hair. As I've shown in other hairstyle videos, I like to apply oil before doing any hairstyles, especially ones where I'm going to be pulling my hair apart, because this really helps to soften the curls and loosen tangles. I'm creating a middle parting and sectioning off the front face framing pieces. You don't have to do this, but I personally like to have them out. And then I'm just taking one half of my hair, twisting it all around and up onto my head, and I'm actually going to hold it in place here with a clip. This is an alligator crocodile clip, and then I'm doing the same on the other side, twisting the entire section around and onto the top of my head, removing the crocodile clip and clipping both sections together with a giant claw clip. And you can see just how nicely the hair falls either side there. It's much more even than if you twist the entire section together, so I really like doing this one. And then I'm just refreshing my face framing pieces. You don't have to, you can even clip them within this hairstyle if you want to. I'm just using a little bit of Umberto Giannini curl refresh spray and a bit of water, and I'm doing the finger coiling method, so I'm smoothing the hair, winding my fingers up, twisting, releasing one finger, and then twisting the curl down. And this one actually messed up a little bit, but let's try it on the other side, see if I can do it better. Bringing my hair down flat, twisting my fingers up with it, bringing it all the way to the top, twisting my fingers at the top, taking one finger out and twisting down. There we go, that's more like it. And then I'm just going to diffuse these pieces dry, but you can obviously air dry if you prefer to. And this is the finished result. I absolutely love this hairstyle. It's so quick and simple, and you can wear it to casual or more formal events. This curly messy bun is one of my go-tos, you know, so I'm just sectioning off some face framing pieces. I'm bringing all my hair to the top of my head, and I'm going to tie it with my head flipped forward because I just find it much easier to gather it into the right place. But I'm just showing you here how far on the top of my head I basically have the ponytail. So I'm gathering it all into a ponytail, bringing it to the top of my head, twisting the hairband. And then this time I'm just bringing half of the hair through, or just as much to create the size bun that you want. Then I'm just positioning the hair how I want it to sit, and I'm taking some mini claw clips. So basically what I'm doing is lifting a section of hair and clipping the hair and the clip into the bun. And this adds lift, but it also holds the hair in place, and the hair, because it's curly, can cover the clip so you don't see them. I'm just readjusting that one there so you can't see the clip. This is quite a big bun for me today, but I'm just pulling some bits out just to make it look a little more effortless. You can obviously do a smaller bun. And then I'm just clipping the front section away with a bobby pin. Sometimes when you use a mini claw clip you can see it really obviously, so a bobby pin like this isn't going to be as obvious. And then I'm just refreshing my front face framing pieces with a bit of the Umberto Giannini curl jelly, again just giving them a little scrunch and a shake. And I'm just going to let them air dry a bit. You saw how I diffused my hair previously. I wear this so often. This is just a really simple, effortless look. The low twist bun has become another of my go-to bad hair day hairstyles. I'm first off smoothing the top section of my hair. I don't always do this, but I know some people find that the top section of their hair can be a little bit bumpy, so I'm just doing that first. And then starting at the front of my hair, I'm just literally twisting towards the back of my hair. I did not mean to twist my face framing piece in there, but I'll take it out in a bit. Clipping it in place with a crocodile clip. Then I'm repeating this on the other side, leaving my face framing piece out as I meant to this time. And you can see I'm literally just twisting it. This is so simple, and I'm just twisting it all the way to the nape of my neck, unclipping the crocodile clip and just gathering it together in a ponytail. Then I'm bringing all my hair through into a ponytail, then pulling half of my hair through like when we did the other bun on the top of my head. Then I'm splitting this ponytail into two, twisting it and bringing it to the top, and then securing it with a hair elastic. Now with my fingers at the top, I'm twisting the hair to make an opening to then put over the bun. And if your hair's shorter, you can leave it here, but you can see that I've got some excess. So I'm going to twist it again and bring it back over the bun like so. And I'm going to leave this bit out because, you know, I like an effortless look, but you can tuck it in as well. I just absolutely love this hairstyle. And Another low bun now. This is a really simple one. Again, you don't have to have the face framing pieces out, but I'm just gathering all my hair into a low ponytail, bringing it through into a ponytail, twisting, and then again just bringing part of the hair through so it creates a bun. And at this point I loosen the hair at my roots just to make sure that it's comfortable and not making my scalp sore. And then once I've done that, again I'm twisting the ponytail in 2 sections and just wrapping it around the bun, and I basically just do this until all of my hair has gone. So there we are, and then I'm just securing that with a silk scrunchie. I absolutely love these hair match ones from Curlfriend Collective. I'll link them in the description below. Here's a little hack for you if you do have bumps on the roots that you don't want. Take one of these rat tail combs, I think that's what they're called, slide it into the roots and along your hair, and you'll find that this really helps to smooth out the hair on the top of your head, so it makes it look a little bit more clean cut. And I'm just repeating that across the whole head until it's smoother, and I just absolutely love this style. I am having a real low bun moment these days. And of course, if you don't want your front face framing pieces in, but they just fall out anyway because they're shorter, you can just clip them back. I'm just brushing them to smooth and then securing them with a bobby pin. And there we go, that is the finished look. I just love this one for hair wash days. This is the perfect my hair needs washing but I don't have time look. And last but definitely not least is a little bit of a fun one, low space buns. So I'm just sectioning off my face framing pieces. Again, you don't have to have these bits out. I'm sectioning my hair into 2 to create the bunches, bringing my hair through. Because I have less hair here, I'm actually tying it around twice and then creating a little bun, twisting my hair. And this time I'm not splitting it into 2, I'm just twisting my hair all around the bun. And I'm just doing that until all the hair runs out again. And obviously the amount of hair you have will determine the size, but if you have less hair then you can pull the bun out a bit to make it look bigger or use a hair donut. And if you have more hair, then the tighter you twist it, the smaller it will make the bun. So that's one side, and now I'm just doing the same on the other side, bringing my hair through and then twisting my hair around to create the bun and securing it with a small hair elastic. Now the face framing pieces are out, and I just think this is such a cute, effortless style, and this is actually the perfect hairstyle to wear with a beanie hat. If you are planning on wearing a beanie hat with this though, I would do the buns with the beanie hat already on, because then you know how low to do them. This is a silk line beanie hat from Bouclem. I'll link it in the description below. It's giving Spinelli vibes from Recess. Let me know which is your favourite in the comments. So there you go, 5 simple hairstyles that you can do on a bad hair day to get you through until you next wash your hair. I really hope that you like these hairstyles, guys, and as always, if you did enjoy the video, please feel free to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.